Ever since I started my career in engineering and specifically in 3D printing, I always dreamed of having access to a 3D printer in the beginning and later on making the technology accessible to all engineers in order to unlock their creativity and not limit their brains to conventional manufacturing processes. For me, that was the motivation behind inventing a low-cost metal 3D printing technology and starting 3DO based on that. Imagine how the industry would change if all entrepreneurs and engineers had access to low-cost metal 3D printing without worrying about how many parts they need manufactured. In order to create low-cost technologies, you need to train your brain to stay away from fancy, super expensive, high-end, and custom technologies. I was blessed that I always had to work under limited resources, and that taught me to look around and see new uses in devices and technologies that are already accessible, low-cost, and reliable. One type of creativity is to create new combinations to perform novel things. That's how 3DO's technology differentiates itself. In production using 3D printing, the technology is only a small piece of the puzzle. People usually don't realize how many things need to come together in order for the production to happen. It's not about buying a machine, hitting a button, and then producing. At 3DO, we are proud that we own our own technology and we can adjust it however we want to our production needs. Here, we control every process that happens before printing the part, during printing the part, and after printing the parts, all the way to sintering and measurement and qualification. If you ask me what differentiates 3DO as a company, I'll tell you it's the team and the culture that we have created. Culture is above everything else and defines who you are as human beings and as a team. Our culture is based on respect, creativity, innovation, and hard working. Our team is very goal-oriented, and that's the key to success. I know we are hearing a lot about the factory of the future and Industry 4.0 these days, but very few companies are actually going in that direction. At 3DO, we are aiming for creating a platform and infrastructure to help us take a step forward towards those concepts. We are implementing automation in our metal 3D printing production line, which enables us to quickly respond and adjust to customer needs. Basically, our customers are not tied up to a specific design and quantities. On-demand manufacturing is the future of the manufacturing, and we are trying to make it a reality.